Garlic kills COVID-19. No, unfortunately, this is not true. Eating lots of garlic may be delicious, and personally I enjoy garlic, but there's no evidence that it'll reduce your chance of getting COVID-19 infection.
If you develop symptoms of respiratory illness, including a cough, fever, and shortness of breath, you must seek medical care early. It's important to call your doctor first, self-isolate, and advise on your travel and contact history. If you would like to know more on anything relating to COVID-19, call the General Public Hotline at the National Institute of Communicable Diseases on 0800 029 999, as well as 0800 111 132, or log on to www.nicd.ac.za.